Me again.
No
Back
herding.
again.
No herding required.
No.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! Who knows what Dad's going to say and when he's going to say it, but we will wait with not so bated
Merry
breath.
Vlogmas, isn't it?
Yeah, very good.
First day. Did you enjoy your gin last night?
Yes, I did, thank you.
Which one was it? The Edinburgh gin?
No, American.
Oh, American gin. You are still one behind.
Yeah.
Down there.
Could do with better perforations. It's upside down. Singeing.
Never heard of that one. Any of you guys?
No.
Okay, well, report back
Who
in
knew?
2 days.
Who knew?
In 2 days. Okay, so
Yeah, the American gin did have a different flavour. I could actually taste the difference, which
This is
was
good.
amazing.
yes, given that you still have no taste buds, buying you a gin tasting calendar again.
It's difficult.
Yes. There. She keeps trying to go up further. Stop it.
What are we looking for? 4. 4. Oh, down there, look. I can see it. I can see it.
Found it. Ooh. Ooh. That feels interesting. Let's hope we're not breaking it. Or you watch Mum squeeze. Oh, I think it's buttons.
You like buttons?
They're mine.
Yeah.
Mum
You might not like them.
Mum bought me some buttons at the Festival of Quilts and has promptly used them on her shirt.
Yeah, very nice, thank you.
Oh, I do like them though.
There was lots of them though.
Hmm.
Oh, they're pretty.
There we go. Aren't they pretty? Thank you.
Very pretty.
They're the right number for a cardigan.
Yeah.
Yes, they're not for you. Hang on, hang on, hang on. He's just...
He's ready.
I'm eager.
Yeah.
He is. Okay, now go.
We're going to the dance hall.
Oh.
Oh, are we?
Might be something to do with music. Might,
I can see a glitter ball.
might be. Glitter ball.
Oh no, they're fancy lights. And there's a gramophone. Or what? I don't know if that is a gramophone.
Yesterday's code is music to your ears. Do you see the light?
Okay, so there's letters on the floor, and then there's coloured lights on the top.
Right. Okay.
In day 3.
What letters are on the floor?
Lots.
Oh, right. Okay.
Riddle cards.
145. Joy to the world.
Oh, there's colours on the ceiling.
Well,
Oh,
look,
so does
there's
that...
look, the notes are
Yeah, so
colour-coded.
we're going to need pen. I got pen ready, but I took the paper away. So 145, Joy to the world. There we go. You.
Under
And the parquet. There's a parquet floor in there. It'll be E.T.
Hang on. You are correct, E.T.
Does the parquet floor lift up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's clever.
Alright, let's see if I can video this and perform action at the same time. There was all the letters, and then there was the lights, and then I can't even find my finger. It didn't lift up quite this easily before, oh, not that it is now. The floor lifts up. That's very
On which
clever.
there's a number.
We're getting good at this.
I think they're lulling us into a false sense of security.
Probably.
I remember last year some of them
They got more
getting
difficult.
progressively harder.
Yep.
But I liked that one.
Yeah.
But we're there.
It's very
Yes.
clever, isn't it?
Very clever. So
Well
Dad has been bridging this morning. Bridge lessons.
Bridge lessons.
In case it wasn't clear the other day when I was talking about Mum going to bridge, it's a card game that they
Yep.
are going to learn and
Yep.
trying to persuade me to do, and I'm not interested.
It's very good for the brain.
I have other things that are good for my brain.
Mm-hmm.
And where are you off to this afternoon?
Are they
WI?
WI.
Are they working? No.
No.
We're illustrating that on a daily basis.
I'm chilling.
And you're chilling this afternoon, and then you guys are out for dinner this evening. You're
We are.
abandoning me. But you did buy me cucumbers yesterday, didn't you?
I did.
So I will have dinner tonight, which is very exciting. Okay, cool.
Okay.
And I'm going to carry on making my skirt because I've got halfway through one step and I need to finish it.
Do you need anything else?
Oh, no, you're good. Thank you. You may leave.
Oh, you're going to use a different thumbnail, are you?
Dismissed.
Oh! He
well
remembered!
Yeah.
I'm going this way.
Okay.
Thank you. Well remembered. I completely forgot
Oh, there you
it.
are.
Good grief.
And there was the black pen.
Don't forget your
Waiting.
your gin, Mother.
No. Oh, yes.
Okay, so you guys have yesterday watched the first day of Vlogmas, and thank you very much for all of the lovely comments on that video. I know it was a really somber start to the festivities, but I did, like I say, wanted to let you guys know just so that nobody asked what was happening or where the Suze was. Thank you very much for all the lovely comments on that vlog. I am going to get on with the skirt. Once the skirt's done, I might even be in the mood to just crack on with the rest of the dress. We will have to see how it goes. I will report back later and let you know. You do realise it's 7 AM. This is Chi's favourite place to sleep, and if you can't find her, then this is where she will be. Hi. This is why I thought she would like the cat cave bed that she has never once been in and the kittens love. I'll let you get back to sleep. You have no idea how exciting this is. Are these your best sourdoughs yet, Mum?
Oh, yes.
Can we eat them yet?
I got it right.
Can we have toast?
You can.
Oh, they're still warm. Yum! I'm so happy. Ah!
Mama. Did she do that?
She's got Marmite feet.
How did she do?
She jumped
On your tongue?
on my tongue. Okay, it's much later on. I have no idea why I thought I could do this all in one evening, but I have the first tier of my skirt attached with piping in between, which actually is looking really subtle, but I think given the kind of loud nature of the print, slightly subtle piping is not the worst thing in the world. I don't think I would have wanted it any bigger, and I don't think I would have been able to French seam the piping on if it had been any bigger. I am really pleased with how that's turned out, and now that I've tested the theory, I can start filming for the piping tutorial. So that is the next step to get the second tier on. So let's get that done. It is nearly 8 o'clock. I don't know why I thought this was going to be a really quick thing to sew together, because it's not difficult, it's just fiddly, but I have got the start of my tiered and gathered and piped skirt together, and I really like how it looks. This still needs to be pressed. I need to finish the side seams and then sew up a little bit at the bottom so I can hem it, but we are getting there. So like I say, it's nearly 8 o'clock, so I'm going to call it a night for now because, again, editing. Should we just take it as read from now on that I am going to be editing every single night, because, you know, it's Vlogmas, it's just one of those things. So I will try not to mention it every single vlog from now on. I really like how this is turning out. I think it's going to look absolutely awesome. It's going to be a very loud and in-your-face dress, but it's going to be very up my street. I'm going to go back up to the main house. Mum and Dad went out for dinner this evening. I've already had my dinner. I had it around about 4:30 because that's when I got hungry after my failed attempt at toast this morning. That was too funny. Oh, bless her cotton sock. But Izzy really liked the Marmite. I suppose it's salty. We did clean most of it off, but she got it like literally between her paws, so she sat there and kind of like had a proper bath. She seemed quite happy afterwards. So yeah, Purdy, my very first cat that was mine, used to sit on my lap and drool whilst I was eating Marmite toast, and she would always get a tiny little bit at the end, and not really the toast. She wanted to lick the Marmite off the Marmite and the butter. So yeah, it was too funny. So anyway, once I need to go up and see those two, make sure they haven't destroyed the entire house whilst Mum and Dad are out and I'm down here, then I'm going to go and sit with Chi, and I might try a little bit more kind of interaction and introduction this evening and see how that goes, because it's not going to progress if we don't keep up with it. So I will report back tomorrow and let you know how that goes. But I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I have filmed today, and I will see you all tomorrow for more calendars, more sewing and more kittens. I'll see you then. Bye!